Welcome home! Healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Today we are making Welcome Home's Healthy Banana Almond Cake. I'm going to show you how to make a sugar-free banana keto cake. You need only 3 ingredients. Easy to make, also super healthy and really delicious. So it's great for your kids too. Let's make it! Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. These bananas were stored at room temperature for more than 3 days, so they are sweeter. I'm going to use 2 organic bananas. Mash the bananas. Add 2 organic eggs and mix well. Add 3 cups of extra fine, gluten-free organic almond flour. Put a parchment paper in a baking pan. Bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Depending on the oven, so you have to check after 30 minutes and then bake more if you need it. Wow, smells so good. You can enjoy in the morning for breakfast or a special healthy treat for when kids get home from school. Smells like banana.
Hot. So hot.
I really love it. I literally make it every week. Hope you guys enjoy it too.